In this video I'm going to show you how to use virtual amplifiers to improve the quality of DI recordings. So after you've completed your recording experiment, you should have some DI recordings. I have one here which sounds like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to experiment with virtual amps and see if I can improve the quality of this so it sounds like a recorded amplifier. So what I need to do is I need to click on the channel, open up the inspector and go into audio effects here. I need to go to amps and pedals and select amp designer. The amp designer has lots of different models that you can try out, and you can pick different amplifiers. You can pick different cabinet speakers. So the numbers is the amount of speakers and how wide they are in inches. So this would be 4 speakers 10 inches wide. There you are, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can experiment with things such as the gain, the bass, middle, treble, if you want to add reverb, or if you want to add some effects, presence, or the overall volume. On the right, you can select different microphones. So a Dynamic 57 is the same as an SM57. 421 is the MD421. We have the E609, as well as some microphones we don't have in college. With the microphones, you can also change their placement from in the middle and up close to bringing it back and all the way towards the edge. So what you need to do is you need to experiment with the different models, amps, cabinets, microphones to try and find the best possible combination that will improve your DI recording. Once you're done and you're happy with one, for example, I'm just going to go with this one just to show you how to do this. Let's say I was happy with this. I can close this, right click on my region, go to export, no, sorry, not export, go to bounce in place. And then it will say, what do you want to call this new thing? So I'm going to call it DI with virtual amp. I'm going to put it on a new track. I'm going to leave the old thing alone. And I want the audio tail turned on. And I don't want any normalization. I can leave that off. And we don't need any volume or panning. So we can press OK, and what it's going to do is it's going to bounce it right into the track below. And here is the original one where we put the effect, but here is the new track with the effect baked on. Good luck experimenting.